Understanding grease fire, an essential guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we're diving into the phrase, grease fire. This term is not just literal but also has metaphorical meanings. Understanding it can be very helpful in both everyday conversation and emergency situations. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the literal meaning of a grease fire. This refers to a fire that starts when cooking oil or grease becomes too hot and ignites. It's a common hazard in kitchens. Here are some key points to remember. Grease fires occur while cooking, especially when frying foods in oil. They can be very dangerous because grease fires can spread quickly and are not easily extinguished with water. It's important to know how to handle a grease fire safely. Never use water to put it out. Instead, smother it with a lid or use a fire extinguisher designed for grease fires. Now, let's explore the metaphorical use of the phrase. In a non-literal sense, grease fire can describe a situation that is out of control or escalating quickly. For instance, the argument in the meeting turned into a grease fire when both sides refused to compromise. This usage highlights the intensity and difficulty of managing the situation, much like an actual grease fire. When using the phrase, grease fire, it's important to consider the context. In casual conversation, it's more often used metaphorically. In professional or safety-related contexts, it usually refers to the literal meaning. Be sensitive when using it metaphorically, as it can evoke strong imagery of danger and urgency. And that's a wrap on the phrase, grease fire. We hope this video helps you understand both the literal and metaphorical meanings of this phrase and use it appropriately in your conversations. Stay safe in the kitchen, and don't forget to practice your English with fun phrases like this one. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content. Happy learning!